Since 1799, the Jumping Horse has represented a brand that stands for premium performance, consistency and above all superior quality products. These generations of experience enable PFERD to provide our customers with quality performance products and safety that can be depended on every time. At PFERD, the commitment to safety is not only to manufacture safe products, but to ensure our customers are safe in the workplace when using PFERD products. Today, we would like to take some time to talk to you about the safe and proper use of portable cutting and grinding wheels. Portable angle grinders are among the most dangerous tools used in the workplace. However, when used correctly, they are an important industrial tool that is used in many trades. Before you start any cutting or grinding process, let's take 5. 1. Stop. Think before you act. 2. Look. Identify the hazards that could be present. 3. Assess what the damage could be from the hazards. 4. Manage. Remove any hazard or implement a control of the hazard. 5. Safely. Once these steps are done, then safely complete the task. Cutting and grinding wheels for angle grinders have a peripheral speed of 80 metres per second, denoted by a red diagonal stripe across the label. This speed equates to 280 kilometres per hour, the speed of a V8 supercar. This high operating speed can cause serious injury to both operators and other workers in the event of a wheel breakage during an operation. For cutting wheels 300mm in diameter and larger, 2 different types of wheels exist. Firstly, the low-speed type, also denoted by a red diagonal stripe on the label, are designed to fit the portable chop saw low-powered plug-in machines. The second type, denoted by a green diagonal stripe on the label, are rated to run at a higher peripheral speed of 100 metres per second, or 360 kilometres per hour. These are designed for petrol-powered saws and high-speed abrasive cutting machines. Remember to always check the speed of the machine against the maximum permissible speed on the label of the wheel and never exceed the maximum operating speed of the wheel. The risk of personal injury and the cost involved to companies through selection and use of an abrasive wheel with unknown safety standards can be extremely high. Often, reduced pricing is achieved at the risk of increased accidents when using wheels from factories with unknown safety standards. PFERD is a founding member of OSA, the organisation for the safety of abrasives, and by conforming to the regulations set down by this organisation, we adhere to the highest international standards for the production of abrasive products. The OSA mark guarantees that the safety of the end user is the priority during all stages of production. As well as meeting the requirements of the latest OSA standard, PFERD also meets the current Australian standard 1788.1, design, construction and safeguarding of abrasives, and 1788.2, safe care and use of abrasives. These 2 standards represent the highest level of safety available for end users, as well as reassurance for distributors of PFERD products. Always look for the OSA and Australian standards marks. Due to the high operating speed of an abrasive wheel, it is imperative that safety glasses are worn when using these products. Best practice today indicates that safety glasses, combined with a high-impact face-over shield, provides the best protection for the eyes and face from wheel breakage and abrasive sparks. Today, the requirements to use standard personal protective equipment apply to all industrial situations. PFERD also strongly recommends that users of abrasive wheels also wear safety boots, gloves and hearing protection in addition to the safety glasses and face shield when operating abrasive tools. If, when using a larger angle grinder of 180 or 230mm size, your application requires a flat cutting wheel, make sure it's mounted correctly by using the standard rear flange of 1/3 the wheel diameter combined with the same size front flange. This ensures the wheel is clamped between two equal-sized flanges. Never fit the wheel using the smaller grinding wheel mounting nut, as this will draw the wheel into the recess of the rear flange, causing distortion of the wheel and an unsafe condition where wheel failure can occur. If your application requires either a raised hub cutting wheel or a grinding wheel, these are mounted using the large rear flange as standard, combined with the smaller grinding wheel nut which seats within the recess. A cutting wheel is mounted with the flange step facing up, while a grinding wheel has the flange step facing down, within the bore of the grinding wheel. Whichever cutting wheel you decide to use, flat or raised hub, never use the side of the wheel to grind or remove burrs. This wears and weakens the fiberglass reinforcing and imparts side lobes that can cause wheel failure and breakage. If grinding is required, always take the time to fit the correct grinding wheel. Do not grind with cutting wheels. Abrasive wheels can be damaged while in use or even in storage. What isn't always apparent to the eye is the amount of damage the product has sustained. Wheel failure can then occur due to this damage. PFERD recommends that if there is any possibility of the wheel having sustained damage, the wheel is replaced to remove the risk of wheel breakage. Always check the wheel thoroughly for damage before use. Angle grinder guards perform two important functions. Firstly, they provide the primary protection for the operator against wheel breakage. They should always be positioned between the operator and the operation being carried out. Secondly, they provide a limiting function, stopping oversized wheels from being fitted to smaller grinders, where a dangerous situation can occur due to wheels being run over speed, causing wheel explosion. Never remove the angle grinder guards. Cutting and grinding wheels are manufactured to standards to suit the application they're designed to perform, with specifications matched to the available power of the grinders and the materials they are designed to cut. Never use worn down wheels on smaller tools. This can cause an unsafe condition and wheel failure can occur. When using an angle grinder, PFERD always recommends that the work is secured, as movement of the material whilst cutting can cause the wheel to jam in the cut and break, as well as causing operator injury. Always make sure that when operating a power tool you have a firm footing. Make sure that you don't overreach. This enables you to maintain control over the operation and reduces the risk of accidents. PFERD has a commitment to your safety and safety in the workplace. We appreciate the opportunity to present this short safety video covering some of the common issues associated with the safe use of abrasives. Safety is an ongoing program, so let's stay committed to safety and work together for a safer workplace. If you or your organisation has concerns regarding abrasive safety, contact PFERD to assist you. We can provide on-site safety audits, specialised abrasive safety talks and literature, and much more.